you, telling that it's been long time and then you got to get into pregnancy process of pregnancy. First thing I would like of irregular menstruation cycle, it will be very difficult for you to identify when you are pregnant and get into proper periods, but that doesn't mean that you have to plan this for all your. Hello and hi everyone. So this video is going to be on whether to cure PCOD or to get into pregnancy. Like most of the time there is always a confusion, and people want to land up in pregnancy with the pressure of lot of questions raised by the relatives around you, telling that it's been long time and then you got to get into pregnancy and all that, and because of which people sitting with PCOD, they are in an urgency of getting into the process of pregnancy. First thing I would like to tell you is, if you have PCOD, there will be 200% chances of irregular menstruation, and with this irregular period cycle, it will be very difficult for you to identify when you are pregnant and when you are not pregnant and all that, and it will be difficult for you to go ahead with the other calculations also, and there is a lot of possibility of miscarriages and all that. So what I would suggest is, get the body right, get into proper periods, but that doesn't mean that you have to plan this for all your EMIs to close, and all your, like many of them were telling that we need to get financially settled, we need to shift between places and all that. In case if it is going to result in pregnancy, take it in a positive way, and then just go and plan for your go and happily enjoy your pregnancy or the motherhood process, because as been there was always a threat of infertility issues getting increased by a lot of different movies that was taken some 20 years back and all that, and what they were suggesting was, after 2025 it will be very difficult for doctors to see someone who is pregnant naturally. So if someone is going to get pregnant, there will be a bigger question of how did they how was this possible, and what was that something that helped them into pregnancy and all that. That much is the fear, and that much is the scenario of getting into natural pregnancy, with so much of environmental issues, with so much of lifestyle changes, with so much of things like shrinked ovary, fibroid, cyst, endometriosis, thyroid, PCOD, PCOS and all that. So what I would suggest is, get into a proper natural lifestyle system. Do not prolong this process for 2 years, 3 years of your life. Follow set of rituals naturally for exactly of 60 to 90 days. Get the process right, get this complete PCOD removed from your body, and most importantly, it is not only PCOD getting removed, also increase the stamina of your body. I am telling that it is not only the girl, it is for both the husband and the wife. Get the process of increasing the stamina of your body ready, and then land up in a natural pregnancy. Okay, and the most important thing is, you got to work on your mindset, most importantly. So it is very important to take care of your body, prepare everything holistically, and then land up in a natural pregnancy and finish off this process successfully, rather than suffering from the pressure of answering to your relatives, and landing up in too much of overthinking, stress, depression, worry, anxiety and all that. So take care of your body. Self-care is very, very important. Get into proper rituals, get into a proper lifestyle, and follow certain rituals. Do attend the weekly webinars, and then follow this natural system and get into the most fertility lifestyle. Bye bye, take care.